years. And it always begins the same way, with a legend awakening. Legend says that a multitude of armored beasts emerge from the dark core of the earth. They swarm to the surface, drawn by their master. Every 100 years they try to overtake our world, and we always think we've destroyed them. So has it that every 100 years, we are wrong. When the word came down that the legend had come to life, we built the shooter. But we needed a hero to fly it. This year, the magic stick didn't point to the usual heroes. It pointed to Wally. Now, Wally wasn't one of the usual heroes. In fact, he wasn't a hero at all. He was just a simple bean counter. But when you're asked to save the world, you don't ask why. You just make it happen. Wally used his courage. He used his determination. He used his seatbelt. The battle was fierce, but Wally just made it happen. He emerged victorious. The legend had fallen. The world was once again a safe place. As Wally was riding off into the sunset, he had a vision. 5 heroes of the past thanked him for a job well done. Now, it was time to go home. All of Weedham showed their appreciation to Wally. He was no longer just a bean counter. He was a full-fledged hero. Well, that's what happened every 100 years. But you should see what happens every 1,000 years.